Morning children, welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your English literature course book lesson 7 haircut children. Today I am going to complete your lesson 7 of haircut of English workbook. So the back exercises I have explained yesterday, I hope you all have understood it properly. So children, I am going to explain today the exercises of English literature workbook children. What you all have to do, you all have to fill the exercises with the help of pencil only and don't use pen. And first of all, you fill the exercises by seeing the pic and check it again that you have completed it properly, neatly, nicely and with correct spelling. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally children. And you have to fill the exercises with the help of pencil. Again and again I am saying don't use pens and don't make untidy work in your book. Okay students? And so students, let's begin with the exercises of English literature workbook beta. Morning student, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your English literature lesson 7 haircut. Today I am going to complete your haircut lesson 7 of English workbook. This is your workbook students. So first exercise is given like this. Write sentences in the present continuous and general present. So sentence is given like this. For an example, Santosh paid the man some money. When you change, this is given into past because paid is the past tense of pay. So when you change into present continuous, so you can change like this. Santosh is same, paid is changed into is paying. Is RM is used always in present. Okay, so is paying the man same money. When we change into continuous, we can add ing in the main verb. Okay, so and when we change into simple general present, we can change like this. Santosh pays the man same money. So first is given, I went to school yesterday. It is in past because went is the past form of go. So I can change into present continuous. I can change how? I am going to school today. Okay, I am going to school today. This is your change into present continuous. Next is I go is given. It will be changed in simple present like this. I goes to school every day. Okay children, this is your simple present tense. Come to the next. I ate my lunch quickly. Ate is the past form of eat. So sentence is given into past tense. We can change it into present continuous. So I can change it like this. I am eating my lunch quickly. I am eating my lunch quickly. This is changed into present continuous. Am is always used with I. Okay. So I am, eat is the main verb. We can add ing. Next, I ate my lunch quickly. This will change into general present like this. I eat my lunch quickly. Okay children, it will be changed like this. I eat my lunch quickly. Come to the next. My mother cooked the dinner. So it will into the present tense. We can change it like this. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking the dinner. It is changed into present continuous tense. And when we change into general present, we can change like this. My mother cooks the dinner. Cooks the dinner. It is into general present. Next is I did my work carefully. So it is into past tense. We can change it like this. I am doing my work carefully. It is changed into present continuous tense. Okay. I am doing my work carefully. And when we change into general present, it will be I does my work carefully. Okay, children? So, I hope all you understand that how can you change into present continuous if sentence given into past and general present. Okay, children? Come to the next exercise. Write answers for these statements. It is given like this. I have eaten 24 mangoes. It will be changed like this. You ought to stop them eating now. Out is must. Okay. My head is beginning to hurt. You ought to take medicine. Geeta's baby is crying. She ought to see her. Full stop at the end. My hair is very dirty. You ought to keep them clean. Okay, children, you can complete it like this. Let's go to the cinema now. We ought to watch the movie. Next is I lost my watch yesterday. You ought to find it. That pen is very expensive. It ought to be returned. And at the last always put the full stop. So children, you have to complete this exercise like this as I have completed. Come to the next exercise. Aunt's letter. This is one letter. Imagine that you received this letter from your aunt. Write a reply saying that you will spend your winter holidays with her. Okay, children. So, letter is given by your aunt. This is, you have to write the reply. First of all, you can write here one address. 46A Jhalwa, Prayagraj. Near Devghat. Okay. Near Devghat. Today's date is 3 November 20 na, and you have to write like this. Dear aunt, I had received your letter and writing this letter to inform that the vacation we spend together my vacation start from 18th December, and by so this time I'll be spending it with you. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Your lovingly, Aditi Day. Okay, children, you have to complete it up to this exercise. This is the letter. You have to complete it into the book with the help of pencil only. Thank you, beta.